Hi everybody and welcome to the 1 minute whiteboard. 1 minute of looking at this point how you can scale up and iterate over the process of elaborating your backlogs and work for your digital products. So you start off across 3 broad phases that I see working with different teams. You start with the first state of maturity. You're writing stories in the planning session, right at the coal face. You then develop a little bit more maturity. You start to add refinement into there. You start to think about some candidate goals rather than just setting goals in the session for the sprint. And you're writing stories probably at that point across that refinement session, but definitely still some element of refining and understanding the stories happening actually in the planning session itself, for those of you using Scrum or similar type of continuous methods. That third state is all about then adding 3 amigos or triads in. They can be cross-team as well. Your planning is just more about estimation. It's a lot shorter and more efficient, and you're about agreeing the sprint, and all of those 3 things are working in tandem. You don't so much end up at this point refining tickets in planning. So thank you. That was the 1 minute whiteboard. Any questions? Feel free to comment.